Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL RT8 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system. Then let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive, which means that we cannot manually change them. It is because we are using automatic options. So let's first of all tap on this first option and tap on off, and then just turn off all of those switchers. Now we can freely customize the date and time. Let's tap on this first option. As you can see, we can choose the date from the calendar. Just tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just choose it in this clock, confirm it, and it will be immediately applied. We can also select the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we will be transferred to the full list of available regions. So simply find yours and tap on it, and it will be immediately applied. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we've got the time format. We can either use local default or manually choose it. Currently we've got the 12-hour format. You can use 24-hour one just by tapping on this switcher, and you can change the date format. It's up to you, either regional or just choose whether you want to have a month at the beginning, a day, year, or any other option which is suitable for you. So this is the manual customization of date and time, and of course you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those automatic options like location, automatic time zone, and time, which is either nowhere provided or GPS provided. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.